have a short period of time to find the way to build sustainability that will benefit everyone. If we do not change our ways and consciousness and ways, like to interact one to each other, we will face major challenges.
Au début, je finançais seul 100%, mais j'avoue aussi que les charges n'étaient pas aussi élevées que maintenant. Maintenant, les aides aussi arrivent.
Il a été demandé à chaque citoyen, chaque être de la place de passer ici pour se faire consulter. Nous avons plus de 800 personnes qui sont déjà inscrites sur les listes.
Je suis très heureuse. Ce que je vais dire au docteur, c'est juste merci. Merci beaucoup. C'est ce que je peux vraiment lui dire. Un grand merci.
Lorsque j'ai vu le sourire que cette fille avait, j'ai su que j'irai encore en campagne pour plus de 10 ans. C'est ça la valeur de ce sourire.
So the idea about ORU is to build a social network that will connect people around the planet to bring visibility to what can inspire our life, to what can trigger a positive cycle of interactions where everyone will be able to learn from each other, and where the entrepreneurs, innovators, citizens around the planet that are dedicating their life for the cause that matters for others will be able to join forces. First of all, it starts by this, beginning at every journey you do. It's about hope. So we have to work together. The future we have to build is about working together.
Ce que ORU offre aux associations, c'est quand même une très belle vitrine. C'est pas donné à tout le monde d'avoir la chance d'exposer son projet associatif.
L'intérêt d'ORU, c'est vraiment de permettre à Unitaire de s'ouvrir à d'autres projets, tout simplement à d'autres associations et d'augmenter encore cet effet symbiose.
The world is full of very good people who are trying to solve problems in new ways. What the ORU platform is trying to do is to get those people to talk to each other and to connect them to funders. I can think of nothing better than getting all those people to work together to move this society forward.
On est vraiment convaincu que c'est que comme ça que ça marchera. Et ORU, c'est le réseau social qui nous manquait.
I think you may have taken from that video that the next speaker is the connector of what brought us all here today to work together, exchange ideas, and shape a better future. He is the organizer of CGEF, he is the founder of ORU, and he is my dear, dear friend, Jonathan Parianti.
Thank you, everyone. Well, it's always emotional to see those images because those images are not just footage. They are traveling, meeting people on different continents, having, spend time to learn from them. And that are just images, from 18 documentaries that we have carried out from inspirational people and people that are, every day looking on how they can make an impact and build an impact for the better of all. I will just, spend a few minutes to share with you how we can move from an understanding that this is now urgent, that we act for a better future, to the how we're going to implement and execute on that. I think we are all aware from around the planet that the situation now, because of multiple factors, whether the consumer society we are living in, the capitalism system that we have right now as a most, a present system in our interactions, and as well the increase of the world population because of the progress of health at many levels, all of those elements are putting ourselves as one species that is challenging all the other life ecosystems of the planet. So we know and we understand that we have to do something. That is why I move out from finance and be trying my best to serve this, I would say, awakening of understanding that all of us, humans, we have to work together to find the solutions because we are responsible of those challenges that we have created. So the perception of today is actually every government, every decision maker, all of us citizens, we are aware that at multiple levels there are global challenges. The good news about it, it's in 2015, 190 nations have signed the United Nations Sustainable Goals and what we call the 2030 Agenda. That is an agenda that is promoting sustainability. Those goals are 17, and the 17th one is partnership for the goals. Because all of those goals, from alleviation of poverty to access to health, to quality education, all of those goals can only be reached if we work together. So the idea behind creating OU, it's actually about the understanding that all of those key pillars are working together, are interacting together. But at the moment, we are not lacking good heart. We are lacking about how we can be symbiotic, how we can synergize to have the chance in the short time we have ahead of us to find the solution and open new roads for sustainability. So the idea is that all of us, we can interact, we can connect. And that's why we have created a social network for connecting for good. Because social network is neither good, neither bad, like technology. It's about what we do with it. And right now, unfortunately, because the system we are living in is a maximization system-oriented purpose, sensationalism is taking over in our life. But the reality is inspiration, knowledge, should be the drivers of our ability to interact. That is meaningful connectivity. And so if we have a place, a platform, whose aim is not to collect data from you, to alienate yourself or to control your behaviors, but a platform which only aim is to make sure that we bring visibility to the people that matters, that do good, that inspire ourselves, then we can know that we are not alone. Then from every part of the world, we can learn from each other. Then we can understand that innovation is actually flourishing everywhere. And some people that have been successful can give back and support building a resilient innovation everywhere for generating positive impact. So that's the dimension of what I call meaningful connectivity. But this is not enough, because we are still facing a very big gap in terms of access to sustainability, independence, entrepreneurship. So in a lot of parts of the world, people have not, unfortunately, access to sufficient capital to have the time to just have access to education, or have the time or free will or freedom to say, well, I want to do a side project, I want to try something for my communities. So the problem of poverty is not acceptable at this present time. We have been able to cope with the financial crisis in 2008, and still now, we have quantitative easing spreading hundreds of billions regularly on the system. Why is it so complicated to have a fraction of those amounts and resources provided to the change makers and citizens that will be dedicating their life to make their ecosystem better and more harmonious? That's where the dimension of impact was striking me. And that's how we decided to create a digital currency for social and economic inclusion. So the mechanism of OU token is very simple. On every transaction that will happen on the blockchain that we are using, the Ethereum blockchain, when you make a transaction with OU token, there is a small percentage Call it VAT for good. We call it proof of impact. That small percentage from 0.01 to 0.1%, and by default 0.05%, is collected by our foundation in Switzerland, which is public interest. And then it's entirely given back to the most active citizens, non-profits, social entrepreneurs on our social network OU. And how we do as well make sure that the funding will channel to the right people. We have created a voting system which we call Lights. So the more you are inspired by transparency, by people behaviors, you are capable to give them lights, you give them your votes. The more votes they are receiving, and as well the more it's connecting with the UN SDGs, which is embedded in our platform, the more visible they get, and the more eligible to funding they will be. So this is a system where, from philanthropists to private sectors to citizens, we are capable, because of our transactions, because of our daily transactions, we are capable to generate sustainable impact to millions of citizens. And that's the dimension of blockchain that, for me, moved me as a former banker. Because now we need to make the capitalism system reach a level where sustainability is not on the sidelines. If we have not a sustainable system, in a few years there will be no more system. And that's called chaos. We are on the verge of a critical moment for humanity. And what matters is that we have to use this precious time. We have to use this precious moment where we are all together to make sure that we are capable to work together for building better and more sustainable tomorrows, benefiting all. So thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you very much for your energy and all the interaction that we will be building all together. Thank you very much.